Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're making another dish from back home in Louisiana. We are making sausage Creole. And this is a really versatile recipe if you don't feel like sausage. You can substitute it with shrimp or chicken. Just use the same amount that's listed in the recipe. So to all my viewers, I want to say thank you so much for coming back. It means the world to me that you continue to join me in my kitchen. To my new viewers, I want to say welcome. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make sausage Creole. For our sausage Creole, you're going to need the following: smoked sausage, diced onion, diced bell pepper, diced celery, minced garlic, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, Worcestershire, hot sauce, chili powder, bay leaf, and optionally a can of Rotel or tomatoes with green chilies. So we have a Dutch oven that's heated up over a medium-high heat. And to this, we are going to add in our sausage. Now, before you come at me and say, oh my God, that's a whole bunch of sausage, it's more than the recipe, I'm making the double batch because I'm going to be feeding this to some friends that are coming over. So we are going to brown this sausage on all sides, which is going to take probably between 5 to 10 minutes. And then once we do that, we're going to pull our sausage out and get started with our vegetables. So our sausage is browned and we've moved them to a plate and put them to the side. So now we're going to add in our bell pepper, our celery, and our onions. Whoops, drop some. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes till all the vegetables are soft. So we've been sauteing our vegetables for about 5 minutes. So we're going to add in our garlic and we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Alright, so we've had about a minute on our garlic. So to this, we're going to add back our sausage and any drippings that are in the bowl. Our diced tomatoes. And I am really trying my best not to make a mess with this tomatoes. So far, so good. Then our tomato sauce. Once again, I'm trying my best not to get this one all over the place. Then our tomatoes and diced chilies. Give this a quick mixy mix. There we go. So we're going to add in now our chili powder, our Cajun seasoning, and a bay leaf. Our Worcestershire sauce. It's going to be about a tablespoon. And then your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco. There we go. And once again, about a tablespoon of that as well. A little extra. Extra for good luck. Alright, so now we're going to give this a mix, make sure everything's fully combined. And we're going to set this down to a simmer once it comes up to a boil. And then we're going to cover it and let it go for 30 minutes. So this has been simmering for a good 30 minutes. Alright, doesn't that look good? Going to give this a quick stir. Now, if you want this to be thicker, what you can do is let it continue to simmer with the lid off, so that way some of the liquid can evaporate. But we've got us a bowl of rice here, and we're going to get us a big heaping spoonful or two.
And there we go. Doesn't that look good?
So now that we have our sausage Creole all plated up, we're going to give this a good mix. Get that gravy all on the rice. Now this is a little spicy, but you know, you can adjust that as you like. So. Oh yeah. Reminds me of home. Now a little bit of sausage. Oh yeah, I do love this. It's also great on a cold day for something to warm you up inside. And as I mentioned, if you're not in the mood for sausage, you can substitute the sausage for shrimp or chicken. Just be sure to make sure you keep the weight the same. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome, and I hope y'all have a good day and a great week. And I'm going to finish up with sausage Creole.